welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we looked at brainstorming, grouping the info, and prioritizing so that planning becomes a breeze. In this video, we're going to look at a small part of that planning, which is giveaways. So let's see how we can make that. If you like the videos, don't forget, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All the links to all the rest of the videos would be in the description below. I remember attending one of the parties with my son where the host had forgotten to hand over the goodie bags. The kids wouldn't leave because the party was not done. And it was awkward. Just then, the host ran to us and said, "Listen, I forgot the goodie bags." And my son looked up at me and said, "I told you, Mom, the party wasn't over because the goodie bags were not handed over." So as awkward as it may seem, it is a tradition as far as our kids are concerned. It's a sweet ending to a lovely, memorable event. Giveaways can be planned in many different ways. You can keep it simple by just having a store-bought plastic bag that says "Happy Birthday" and stuff it with some sweets. Or you can make it your own. Take a look at a few of those that I've made over the last few years based on a theme. The teddy bear theme was all about bees and honey. The wheels on the bus was about the yellow school bus. Lightning McQueen was cars and racing. To let you in on a little secret, I went easy on some years too. But not this year. It's unlocking creativity all over again. So let's get started. Let us get started with 3 tips. First, research several options. Second, elimination and selection. What to select, what to eliminate. And third, most important, hands-on creativity. Here's how I got mine started. Part of the research was fun as I got an immersive experience playing with my son and sensing the excitement of the game that helped me quickly identify the broad design options that I was sure would make the other kids happy too. All ideas seem exciting and doable at first. To select that best idea is by eliminating other options. Some ideas could be intricate and detailed, hence time-consuming. Some could be simple, boring, lack the fun element. Others could be an unnecessary cost, or you may not have the materials. So after careful thought, I decided to go for the llama. The llama is fun, exciting, colorful, and an important element in the game. With a clear idea and focus in mind, it's now time to create our masterpiece. I start with roughly sketching out my thoughts on paper to understand the materials that I have or I could use and the quickest and the easiest way to design it. Gather all your materials and tools to work seamlessly and create templates to be able to replicate the design consistently each time. Once the templates are ready, you then start putting it all together. My llama giveaway is now ready, and I'm hoping the kids have fun receiving it as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy making creative giveaways. If you have any queries, you have any constructive feedback, or you'd like to see something different in the next videos, do mention it in the comments below. Till then, see you.